Dear audience, just think, what if the classrooms of tomorrow don't look like classrooms at all? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel English Tube. If you have ever wondered how AI is changing education or what the future of physical schools in an AI-driven world will look like, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I am sharing a well-structured essay in English on the future of physical schools in the age of AI. Perfect for students preparing for CBSE, ICSE exams, competitions or assignments. And here's the best part. This essay is written in simple language with clear ideas and proper structure, so you can easily understand, learn, and present it effectively. It will help you explore important points like the role of technology, the importance of human interaction, and whether traditional schools will still exist in the future. This is not just an essay. It's a perspective that can make your answer stand out and show deeper understanding. So make sure you watch till the end because this topic is not just important for exams. It is shaping the future you are about to step in. So let's get started. Introduction. The rapid growth of artificial intelligence has revolutionized many facets of human life. The educational sector is no exception. This raises a number of questions regarding whether physical schools will ever be relevant in such a world. However, education is not merely restricted to knowledge transfer. It goes far deeper into the entire personality development of students. Importance of human interaction. Physical schools provide a platform to students to acquire knowledge in a social environment. Students develop skills such as discipline and teamwork. The interaction between teachers and students help in the development of emotional skills and communication skills. Moral values, empathy, and leadership skills are also developed. However, these cannot be achieved through a virtual environment. Challenges faced by physical schools. Physical schools today are confronted with a number of major challenges. This is because with the availability of artificial intelligence platforms, students no longer need to attend physical classes to be well tutored. The challenging roles of teachers who need to continually update their skills to be relevant in class is also a major challenge in physical schools today. Additionally, students' lack of engagement in physical classes, coupled with issues surrounding data privacy, have also made physical school management a challenge. Conclusion. The relevance of physical schools in an artificial intelligence world is a topic of great debate. However, it is quite obvious that physical schools will continue to be relevant in such a world. This is because artificial intelligence cannot replace human wisdom and inspiration. The educational sector needs to be adapted to meet the requirements of a world dominated by artificial intelligence.